guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a cook with me. I'm going to be making a large pot roast with some mashed potatoes and something else on the side. I'm not sure what else, but we're going to go ahead and get started because it is a little bit after 7 and I'm trying to get dinner done. Well, and as I was preparing the food, I just went ahead and decided to just go ahead and cut the potatoes up and put those in with the roast and carrots. So we're going to have a delicious meal. I'm also going to be showing you guys how you are able to make a meal like this for your family last at least a few days. Because if you are in a low income situation like my household, or if you just like to meal prep and have extra food for later. As we all know that the food around everywhere basically is skyrocketing, and I do not know the reason why, but if you are able to stretch your food as best as you can, as long as you can, this is a great meal to prepare for your family. It really doesn't matter the size because it will stretch and feed you guys. We are a family of 3, if you do not know. So for the next couple of times of us eating on this, we will probably have roast beef sandwiches, and also we can add some more vegetables to it, like I'll be adding some more peppers, and adding some fresh green beans is also a great idea for this also. I mean, there's plenty of ways that you can add to it or take from it and cook it in a different way, but this is my plan for this meal. So just to let you know, if you are down in a rut sometimes, there's always a good dinner meal that you can make to last you and your family for a couple of days. So right now I'm just washing off my carrots. I will be cutting those in half. I'm using the whole bag because, as you guys will see, this roast is pretty large. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to get the vegetables cut up and seasoned, and I'll show you guys step by step of how I make this delicious meal for myself and my family. All right, so now that I got the carrots cut up, I got my onions. This is the way I'm going to take my onions and separate them and lay them over the roast, and also put some on the onion. That's the reason why I cut a lot of onions, and I also love cooking with onions. They're good for you, so I just love to put them in every meal as possible. I'm going to cut the potatoes up. Instead of mashing them, I just think a big large roast with some carrots and potatoes and some onions, that just sounds really good. Something comforting. It's getting really cold outside. We have not been using the air. The air has actually been off for about a week now, and the temperature at night is like dropping really, really cold. So this is just like my fall comfort meal. And we have not had roast in a while, so I'm just so excited. We're gonna have this tonight for dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn you guys around, get the potatoes cut up, get all this thrown in the oven. Like I said, it is a little bit after 7, so I'm thinking maybe 9:30, 10. It's gonna be a late dinner. We should be able to eat. Okay, so this is the large roast. It's very big. I know when I go to Walmart and get some more things for the home, I'm going to need to buy a roast pan, because this pan will do, but I really like a taller one, so I can put the lid over it and it can just cook like that. But these are the seasonings that I'm using. I don't have any onion powder. I'm completely out. I used to have 2 bottles. I am completely out, so I'm gonna have to pick a large bottle up at Walmart. But I got some garlic seasoning. I am going to be using this Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. If you guys have not tried this, please, I do recommend it. It's very delicious. I put it on a lot of my meats, not just only for steak. I got this thin pepper I'm going to be using with the peppercorn medley. This is basically gone. And then I have the Kinder's garlic and herbs. So now that I've showed you guys what we are having for dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting up the potatoes so we can get our meal put in the oven so we can eat. My atmosphere around my home is beautiful, it's comfortable. Outside, it's just very cool. Late nights, it's probably like 50s, not 60s. I don't know, it's probably lower than that, but I know it's really cool and cold. The air has been off. Like, I didn't have to use my air. It's been over a week, and yeah, I'm just loving my atmosphere right now, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Thursday night. I will see you guys Friday. This will be posted Friday afternoon. So the time just got away from me today. We just had some things to do, and about time we got home, it was just too late for me to go ahead and put the video up and post. So, but yeah, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So let's go ahead and get this dinner on. All right, so the potatoes are already washed off. And me personally, I do not like to take my skin off of the potatoes, only because that is where you get a lot of their vitamins and stuff from the potato. So it's just like an apple. I don't like to peel those either. I'll leave the skin on and eat those, but it's, you know, everyone's preference of how they cook it. But that's how I do mine. And I am going to put oil on top so they won't dry out, since I don't have any foil to put on there as well. So, okay, I think that's enough. I'm going to put the rest of the onions on there. It smells so good, y'all. I wish y'all could smell it. And then I'm just going to season the potatoes with some pepper and some of the butter and the garlic and herb by Kinder's. Kind of like cooking your turkey on Thanksgiving. All right, let me get the oil and I'll be right back. That come out pretty fast. All right, we are going to put this in the oven. All right, you guys, we are finished with this Cook With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how the roast turned out. It looks absolutely delicious. I am ready to dig in. Here is the carrots and potatoes. I went ahead and put them in another pan. They got done about an hour before the roast did. It took the roast well over 4 hours. It is 12:15 a.m. in the morning. I'm absolutely tired. This was a very late dinner, but glad that everything got finished. My son just got home from work, so now everyone can enjoy dinner and eat together. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. If you are new, please subscribe. I would love to have you over here on my channel. Till the next video, take care, you guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also make sure your post notification bell is on so every time I upload, you guys will not miss a video. See you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.